In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable Wi-Fi calling in your Samsung Galaxy A17 phone. You can use two methods to enable Wi-Fi calling in your phone. For the first method, just open up your phone app, then tap on three dots, then go to settings option. From here, just scroll down, and here you can see Wi-Fi calling option. Just tap here, and that's it. Now just tap here to enable Wi-Fi calling. Then tap on turn on. You can enable Wi-Fi calling option for both SIM card. You can choose SIM 1 or SIM 2. Then just tap on calling preference, and you have to just select Wi-Fi option from here. For the second method, just go back, then open up settings app, then go to connections, and that's it. Here you can see Wi-Fi calling option. Just tap here, and here it is. You can also enable or disable Wi-Fi calling from here. And that is how you can enable Wi-Fi calling in your Samsung Galaxy A17 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.